Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a horizontal list view in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePage state. This is _myHomePage state class. Here we will design our app. First, we have a list of strings as a data member. Here we have a list of ABCD alphabets. We will use this list to populate the list view. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app bar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have a listView.builder widget. The item count is set to the number of items in the ABCD alphabet list. The scroll direction is set to horizontal. Inside the item builder, we design how an individual item of the list view would look like. First of all, we have a row widget. Inside that, we have used a gesture detector widget. It has a function called onTap. So whenever someone selects an item in the list view, we show its name in the log. Inside that, we have a container widget. The height and width of this container are set to 200. Inside the container, we have a text widget. Below that, we have a divider widget, which acts as a line separation between two elements of the list view. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a horizontal list view in Flutter Android. Thank you.